Hello, this is Benjamin John Pope, and this is the free basics tutorial level 2, and this is basically a basics tutorial which will teach you what to use with your own style and my style of developing characters or artwork or wallpapers or buttons. And we're going to start by making a button, and there is going to be a series of these tutorials, and just like the smiley tutorials, which are all free. So I'm going to say select the canvas, and when you select canvas, if you see in the document settings, it's 550 by 400, which is about a quarter of the page if you have like a 19-inch monitor. But anyway, the first thing we're going to do in the first basic tutorial is going to develop a square button with corners, because I thought I'd add the corners to make you understand that feature of the rectangle tool. So rectangle tool, or just press R on your keyboard. I want to go to fill, and your fill should already be 100% alpha. That's showing all definition of the colour. We're going to select a light blue. We're going to go to rectangle options at the bottom of your properties for your tool tab. You're going to click on the corner selection button here and just type in 25. So you type in 25 for all corners, and it basically depends on how big your rectangle is going to be. For buttons, I do normally use 15 rectangle tool. That's all set up. Now I'm going to put out a big rectangle like that, and as you can see, it's 100% fill in the colour of blue, like we selected in our colour tablet or panel, or tablet. Tablet's a device. We're going to double click the line, which was black, and you can change the style of the line, so it could be a striped style like that, but I like to keep it nice and simple. And I'm going to make the width, because you have a different style with the width as well, but we're going to select normal. I'm going to just undid it then, because sometimes it's best to make that go backwards to make sure you haven't gone wrong. So stroke size, and we're going to take it to 4. Right, now we're going to select it all, double click inside of the fill, press FN and F8 and call it square button media. Square button media. Now that's a symbol, and we're going to click inside the symbol, and like I say every time, once you create a movie clip symbol, it has its own timeline. We're going to add in 4 layers. We're going to select layer 1, copy and paste it in all layers, but I'm actually copying and pasting in place, which is Control and Copy which is Control and V, and then Control Shift. Oh no, sorry, I'll refrain. To copy is Control C, and to paste in place is Control Shift V, or you can just press Control and V, like I did just then to demonstrate, but it won't paste it in the exact same position. That's why it's called paste in place. So on layer 4, let's lock them all. Unlock layer 4 and just grab that. Grab layer 4, make it a solid dark blue with alpha at 50%. We are now going to grab layer 3. Actually, no, I'm going to lock them all again and grab layer 1 this time. I'm used to doing it in any format. You don't need to listen totally to me, or you don't need to do totally the same as me. I'm going to get rid of that line. We're going to make this a solid dark blue, like so. We're now going to unlock all layers, grab layer 3 and say modify, shape, expand fill, inset 10 pixels. Modify, shape, expand fill, another 10 pixels, and do that 3 times. So you could just type in 30 pixels, I think. But we're going to grab that and we're going to say linear gradient. We're going to pull the white down. We're going to add in a new tab color by just clicking. We're going to select a light green. We're then going to select a white and make it a blue like so. Then grab the black and make it a dark blue. We're now going to do something cheeky and press F to get the gradient transform tool and just spin it round like so. We're now going to grab layer 2 and make it a linear as well. We're going to go back to, I don't know what that little piece is there for, but little tiny piece there, don't know where that came from. Going to move this to there so it has a top on it. That's now one symbol like so, and we're going to make it smaller, and that's what it looks like as a button, which is actually pretty cool. We made it quite fast, but to finish it off we need to add in another layer. Grab the square tool or the rectangle tool. We're going to say a fill color of dark blue. We're going to get rid of the corner radius and we're going to pull out a square like that, and we're going to do something really simple and just turn it into a perfect play button. And that's what it looks like. To make it a little bit bigger again, just to show you the detail of it. And that's how you make a button. That's the end of the basics tutorial to making a media button. Thank you for listening.